Your Zoom account at Ryerson provides you with more features than a free account, including allowing you more control over who can attend your classes, a large number of participants and longer sessions, and the ability to record and download files from the cloud. Let's take a closer look at the sign-in portal and features available at ryerson.zoom.us. Before we begin, please note you will also need to download the Zoom app. The meeting will take place within the app, but there are many functions you can access from the website, which we will discuss in this video. On this page, you can scroll down to find support and information for both faculty and students. At the top, you will find a list of buttons that act as shortcuts. First, select Sign In and use your My Ryerson credentials. You will be taken to your Zoom profile. You can add a profile picture by clicking Change and edit or add any details by clicking Edit and then selecting Save Changes when you are done making adjustments. You can go to the top right-hand corner to quickly join a meeting or host a meeting. You can select the Ryerson University logo to be taken back to the sign-in portal. Along the left-hand side of the page is a sidebar menu. Right now we are on Profile, so we will move to Meetings. Within Meetings, you can see any upcoming meetings that you are hosting. You can start them by going to the right-hand side and clicking Start. From here, you can schedule new meetings by clicking Schedule a New Meeting. To view your past meetings, you can select Previous Meetings. Next on the menu, we have Webinars. This is not a feature available with the standard Ryerson license. However, you can request access to Zoom webinars for events with more than 300 participants from media services for a fee. In Recordings, you are able to search and download meeting files recorded to the cloud. You can download them by going to the right-hand side and clicking More, and then selecting Download. This will allow you to download both audio and video recordings, as well as a transcript of your meeting. Please note, it may take some time for all your files to be ready after the meeting ends. You are then able to upload these recordings to Google Drive and D2L. Within Settings, you will have access to many options for your meetings and recordings. Meeting and security options are gone over in more depth in the How to Schedule Meetings in Zoom tutorial, and in the Screen Sharing tutorial. When selecting recording, you will want to make sure cloud recording is turned on. After turning on cloud recording, you can choose what parts of the meeting you want to record. You will also want to make sure you've checked the box to automatically generate an audio transcript. You can also turn on automatic recording to ensure all your meetings are recorded. Account Profile simply provides basic information about your Zoom license. In Reports, you have access to usage reports generated from meetings you have hosted. These reports will be available for about 1 year after they were generated. When you select Usage, a search menu will appear. You are only able to search for reports in 30-day increments. When you are ready to search for reports, select Search. You are then able to view various stats about meetings, such as how long the meeting was and how many people participated in the meeting. You can download this information by selecting Export as CSV file. To go back, we will select Reports. From here, we will select Meeting. Now you can search for registration reports or poll reports. These can also only be searched for in 30-day increments. Alternatively, you can select Report Queue and view all your meeting reports. Either way, when you want to download a report, you will go to the right-hand side and select Download. This will allow you to save the reports to your computer. Finally, if at any point you need additional assistance, you are also able to access tutorials and resources provided by Zoom. Remember, when you join a meeting, you will be taken to the Zoom desktop app, so make sure you have it installed. Please watch our tour of the Zoom desktop app for more information.